The Steelcase Amia chair has seen a sudden increase in demand, at least according to the orders we've been receiving at OfficeLogix Shop. Therefore, we're continuing our video tutorials on the Amia chair. Today, we're going to show you how to replace the gas cylinder. To remove the cylinder from the mechanism, flip the chair over and use a pipe wrench to loosen it counterclockwise. If you want to use external force like your body weight, be careful not to lean on the tension control knob because you will break it. Instead, hold on to the arms. Next, use a mallet to tap the cylinder out of the chair's base. If the casters fall during the process, it's okay, just snap them back on. Now, get your new cylinder. This cylinder is button activated, so if you want to follow along with this tutorial, ensure the one you're getting is button activated. Align the mechanism hole over the cylinder and push down. Test the cylinder with the height lever. This one is functioning perfectly, but in some cases you might notice that chair is sinking on its own, like this chair for example. Or the height adjustment is not responsive at all. This means you need to adjust the set screw. You have two versions of set screws depending on the chair. The one located at the bottom here, and in some versions, on the top here. If the chair is sinking on its own, then the cylinder is overactivated, which means you need to loosen the set screw. If it's not responsive at all, then you need to activate the cylinder by tightening the set screw. Another possible reason is that the height adjustment lever is loose, which requires you to manually insert it into the actuator sleeve. We have a dedicated video about this topic. You can find the link to it in the description box. When dealing with the set screw, you might need to remove the seat if your chair model has the set screw on the top. Therefore, we will now demonstrate how to remove the seat and reinstall it. It's very important to have a long screwdriver, at least 14 inches in length. You can use any type you have, whether it's a Phillips or flathead. Focus on the length of the screwdriver so you can reach the spot right beneath the seat to disengage the seat lock. Another important aspect is maintaining a space between the ground and the seat to ensure enough room for you to access the lock and for the seat to slide out easily. Insert the screwdriver between the seat and the bottom of the mechanism. If you are looking at the seat from this angle, the lock will be on the left side. Look for a button that you can press down. This button locks the seat in place and prevents it from sliding out of the chair. Once you press down on it, you can slide the seat out. This is the button you pressed. It locks onto this rail. To put the seat back in place, line up the rails on the mechanism with the guides on the seat. Ensure they're perfectly aligned, then fully elevate the seat depth lever and slide the seat forward until it hits the rear end of the track. If you've done this correctly, the seat should be securely locked in position. To test the seat, use the seat depth lever to move the seat back and forth, confirming that it remains securely attached to the chair. If it stops at a designated point, then all components are functioning as intended. With that, you've successfully replaced the gas cylinder on your Amia chair. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get our latest content.